Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review is sponsored by the company Reshine. Thank you, Reshine, for sending me over this unit to review for my audience. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install a wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. The unit Reshine sent over to me is a Brazilian curly human hair with transparent lace. It is 20 inches. It is 180% density. It has a 13x4 lace on the wig, and I do believe it had 3 combs and adjustable strap. Thoughts on the unit? This is a gorgeous unit. I love the curl pattern, but it doesn't tangle, and even though it is 20 inches, it has a natural volume, so it's thick up here and it's thin down here, so it does mimic natural hair, so I love that about it. It is big head friendly. Will I say it's beginner friendly? Yeah, I'd say it's beginner friendly. It's just 100%, 180% density, so it might be a little too thick for some. But other than that, it does come pre-plucked and it does have a natural hairline. So overall I do love the unit. I will be giving the unit a 9.5, and I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description. And I think they did send over a coupon code for my audience. The coupon code is Reshine15, so I will be leaving everything down in the description for you guys if you so choose to do so by purchasing this unit. And I will go ahead and end the video. So thank you for watching the video. If you get to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, comment on whether this unit looks bomb or will you be picking it up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time that I upload. And I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.